guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you don't miss anything. So today's video is all about the sweat proof, waterproof and the most affordable kind of a makeup. Oh my god, it's so hot. I need a drink.
Standing there, killing time. Can't commit to anything but a crime. It's on vacation, an open invitation. Animals, evidence. Pearly gates look more like a picket fence. Once you get inside, and got friends but can't invite them. Here's burn in California. My turn to ignore you. Don't say I didn't warn you. All the good girls go to hell, 'cause even God herself has enemies. And once the water starts to rise and heaven's out of sight, she won't, the devil on her team. Look at you, needing me. You know I'm not your friend without some greenery. Walking wearing feathers, you should know better. You cover up, he's giving in. Mine is such a fool, I was sitting in. Poisoning themselves now, begging for our help. Here's been in California. My turn to ignore you. Don't say I didn't warn you. All the good girls go to hell, 'cause even God herself has enemies. And once the water starts to rise, heaven's out of sight, she won't, the devil on her team. Standing there, killing time. Can't commit to anything but a crime. It's on vacation and